Welcome back. This session will be 2-28, trace white eyebrows, kicking towards the east wall. And I'm going to show you the transition of how to get there from 2-27 to 2-28. All right, so our last session, we finished 2-27, which is towards the west wall, and we finished here. We did the kicking low and we brought the feet together. The left hand is on the outside. I'm going to do it all in one go without stopping. All right, now I will go and do that all together a little bit later in the tutorial, but let's break it down from here. We've just finished trace white eyebrows 2-27 going to the southwest. How do we get all the way around? That was our breath out. Here's our breath in. Circling back over here. Keep the weight in the right leg as you step back with that left. Notice my heel is going to end up on the intersection of these two yellow lines. I'm going to spin around. Notice I'm not going to stop here facing the south side of the form, nor am I going to keep turning until I'm facing the east wall. Nope. I'm going to stop here between. So that's going to be the southeast corner. My chest stops there. My kick is not going to go towards that wall. It's going to go towards this wall, towards the east. I'm not going to be kicking low with the toe, but instead I'm going to be kicking towards that wall. See my right shoulder pulled back and my left shoulder is forward, and I'm kicking with the heel or the ball of my foot. This whole bottom part of the foot will be used. So the first two kicks of trace white eyebrows were with the toe. This one is with the heel or the bottom of the foot, and it goes there. Okay? And then we come back. All right, so let's do that now towards the other sides of the room. So we'll finish starting, gotta stay within frame. Let's start here. I'll start right here. So this is where we finished before. Good. Stepping back all the way around, but not too far. Notice I've stopped facing the corner. I didn't turn all the way around, so I've stopped. My chest is here. The weight, you'll notice that my foot is not this way. It's in between these two yellow lines, or here. It's at an angle. It's not pointing straight at the green. It's pointed at this angle. My chest is here. Hips are going over there, but my kick is not going over there. My kick is going towards the back part of the room. Okay? Just like that. Temple, shoulder, not the toe, but the heel. And then you'll gather up into a ball. Now let's do it this direction. Notice 45. Shoulders still at the 45. Don't turn towards that wall. That's where your kick is going. So, pulling the breath in, and the toe comes in. Here's the breath out. Breathing out, 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 this hand down to the temple and this hand down towards the shoulder. That's when the left foot extends. Heel, not toe. You bring it in, back to the ball. Very nice. All right. Now we'll do it towards the back. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, 45. That's the breath in, breath out. With the ball of the foot straight ahead. My shoulders are not straight ahead. That's going towards the corner. The foot is going straight ahead. The right shoulder is and the right hip are pulled back. Temple, shoulder, and then you pull back in as you breathe in and hold the ball. All right. So we'll pick up next time doing brush knee left. Now, we've already had tutorials for brush knee left in 1-8 and 1-10. However, we have not gone over how to transition from the trace wide eyebrows into the brush knee left. So we'll cover that in 2-28. Until next time, have a wonderfully Zen day.